MasterCraft has built a reputation for having the easiest folding towers in the industry, and for 2022, MasterCraft continued its tradition by welcoming three all-new, easy-to-fold towers: the standard Z6 Tower with clamping board racks, the Z8 Hydrolock Tower, and the Z10 Power Tower. Hey everyone, I'm Hillary Daniels from Action Water Sports, and today we're going to be going over MasterCraft's newly designed Z-Series towers. We will also briefly talk about MasterCraft's tower history, as well as which tower is best for your MasterCraft. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more boating content. Before the Z-Series towers, MasterCraft boasted the ZFT towers, also known as the Zero Flex Tower, which came in three different options. First, the ZFT2 tower was introduced in 2011 and featured bungee-style board racks, manual threaded tower knobs, and hydraulic assist capability. The hydraulic assist capability made the tower incredibly easy to fold and set the standard of how MasterCraft towers would operate for years to come. Next, the ZFT4 launched in 2012. The ZFT4 had hydraulic assist capability like the ZFT2, but featured clamping board racks instead of bungees, making securing boards easier than before. Lastly, the ZFT5P, which later became the ZFT7 Power Tower, was MasterCraft's first electric-operated tower that could be folded and lifted by the press of a button. MasterCraft decided to take the best features of the ZFT towers, along with consumer feedback, and create the new Z-Series towers. The standard features are the most significant difference between the ZFT and the new Z-Series towers. Previously, the standard tower was a ZFT2, and after consumer feedback, MasterCraft decided to lose the bungee-style racks and make clamping board racks standard on all MasterCrafts. Essentially, the new standard Z6 tower is a slimmed-down cousin of the ZFT4. MasterCraft also launched new innovations with the release of the Z-Series towers, including the patent-pending Hydrolock technology on the Z8 tower. By simply pressing and holding the button found at the top of the tower, the Z8 can be manually raised and lowered with ease. Plus, with the Z8 tower, you don't have to lower the tower fully. Instead, just release the button once you've lowered the tower to your preferred height, and the tower will remain in place. This is an excellent feature if you need to quickly lower the tower to go under a bridge or into a garage. For those who want the ultimate hassle-free tower experience, the Z10 Power Tower is the perfect option. Much like its predecessor, the ZFT7, the Z10 raises and lowers electronically with the press of a button. The Z10 Tower is sleeker and slimmer than the ZFT7. Plus, both the Z10 and the Z8 towers feature Chromax inlays with 15 different color options. It's never been easier to customize your MasterCraft. So let's talk about which tower is best for your MasterCraft. The Z6 is a great standard option and a safe place to start when deciding on a tower for your MasterCraft. It's easy to operate, sturdy, and functional. For those looking for an easier tower to operate, the Z8 with its new Hydrolock technology makes lifting and lowering to the perfect position even more effortless. Lastly, consider upgrading to the Z10 Power Tower if you're looking for the pinnacle of luxury: sleek, powerful, and fully electric. The Z10 is the easiest and most convenient tower to use in the industry. If you have any more questions about MasterCraft's Z-Series towers, be sure to visit our Learning Center at actionwater.com or visit your local Action Water Sports. Until then, we hope to see you on the water soon.